Hi, it's Allie here, and I'm going to tell you all about the new Sticky Folio. Easily make your own stickers, plus you can add adhesive to materials like wood, chipboard, photos, ribbon, die-cut shapes, thick materials, and more. This no-mess solution to adhesive is about to make your life a lot easier too, since it's a lot cleaner than tape runners, glue, and traditional tape. It's also simpler and more versatile than traditional sticker making machines, since those only allow adhesive to be added to small, flat items. The Sticky Folio comes with everything you need to get started, including the folio color of your choice, 3 8.5 by 11 adhesive sheets, and a 2-in-1 pressure tweezer tool. We've also added a snap closure to secure adhesive sheets in place, an elastic band closure, and built-in storage pockets for your pressure tool and extra adhesive sheets. You can also purchase a 10-pack of replacement adhesive sheets separately. We designed the Sticky Folio so you can easily store it and take it with you on the go. So let's use it! Turn any ephemera into a sticker. Place your adhesive onto the right side of the folio with the Easy Lift tab in the lower right-hand corner. Snap adhesive sheet into place and lift the cover. Fill your adhesive sheet with all your ephemera, filling in any gaps or holes to use all the adhesive. Replace covering, press with the pressure tool. Remove the covering and peel back the ephemera with the tweezers. Then place it on your project. Since the adhesive has a light color to it, you can easily see what you have left to use. If you don't want to use the entire sheet in one sitting, that's just fine. The adhesive won't dry up and it stays protected with the cover sheet. So that's the Sticky Folio. We can't wait to see what you create with it.